In today's world, where environmental concerns are at the forefront of many conversations, the concept of green living has gained significant traction. Establishing a sustainable lifestyle through craftsmanship, particularly in woodworking, presents an exciting opportunity for artisans and consumers alike. Woodworking not only allows for creative expression but also fosters a deep connection to nature and the materials used. By embracing sustainable practices, woodworkers can create beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with consumers seeking authenticity and connection in their living spaces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of sustainable woodcraft project ideas for green living with wood today living space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Central to the idea of green living is the commitment to sustainability. This commitment involves using materials and processes that minimize harm to the environment while maximizing resource efficiency. In woodworking, this often translates to sourcing wood from sustainable forests, utilizing reclaimed materials, and employing eco-friendly finishes. By prioritizing sustainability, artisans not only contribute to environmental conservation but also tell a compelling story that resonates with consumers increasingly concerned about their ecological footprint. One of the most appealing aspects of sustainable woodworking is the ability to create unique, handcrafted items that stand out in a market saturated with mass-produced goods. Each piece of furniture or decor carries the artisan's touch, showcasing the beauty of the wood and the craftsmanship involved. This uniqueness creates an emotional connection between the consumer and the product, as buyers often appreciate the story behind each item. When consumers know that a piece is made from reclaimed wood, for example, it adds layers of meaning and character, making it more than just a decorative object. It becomes a conversation starter and a testament to sustainable practices. Moreover, the use of reclaimed wood, which is salvaged from old buildings, furniture, or other sources, adds a rich history to each creation. This not only reduces waste but also gives new life to materials that would otherwise be discarded. Artisans who work with reclaimed wood can emphasize the narratives woven into their pieces, highlighting the journey of the materials and the sustainability efforts behind their work. This storytelling approach resonates with consumers who value authenticity and are eager to support artisans who share their commitment to the environment. Creating green living spaces through sustainable woodworking also involves understanding the principles of design that prioritize functionality and longevity. In crafting furniture and home decor, artisans can focus on creating timeless pieces that are built to last. This contrasts sharply with the disposable culture that has become all too common in contemporary society. By designing durable, functional items, woodworkers can encourage consumers to invest in quality rather than quantity. This shift in mindset fosters a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and promotes a lifestyle centered around sustainability. Another essential aspect of establishing green living with wood is the incorporation of eco-friendly finishes and treatments. Traditional finishes can contain harmful chemicals that not only pose risks to human health, but also negatively impact the environment. By opting for natural finishes such as oils or waxes derived from plants, woodworkers can enhance the beauty of their pieces while ensuring a safer indoor environment. This commitment to using non-toxic materials further reflects the artisan's dedication to sustainability and adds to the overall appeal of their work. In addition to the materials used, the processes involved in woodworking also play a crucial role in sustainability. Artisans can adopt energy-efficient practices in their workshops, such as using hand tools where possible, utilizing renewable energy sources, and minimizing waste through careful planning and cutting techniques. By being mindful of their ecological footprint during the production process, woodworkers can exemplify the values of green living and inspire others to follow suit. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The emotional connection that consumers seek in their living spaces often extends to the products they choose to incorporate into their homes. Sustainable woodworking allows for the creation of items that not only fulfill practical needs, but also evoke feelings of warmth and comfort. Pieces crafted from natural materials have a unique ability to create a sense of harmony with the environment, enhancing the overall atmosphere of a living space. By integrating these thoughtfully designed items, consumers can cultivate a home that reflects their values and aspirations for a sustainable future. Community engagement is also a vital component of establishing green living through sustainable woodworking. Artisans can collaborate with local organizations, schools, or environmental groups to promote awareness about sustainability and the importance of eco-friendly practices. Workshops, demonstrations, and community events provide opportunities for artisans to share their knowledge and skills while inspiring others to embrace woodworking as a means of contributing to a greener lifestyle. By fostering a sense of community around sustainable practices, woodworkers can create a supportive network that amplifies their impact. Furthermore, the rise of e-commerce and social media has transformed the way artisans can share their sustainable creations with the world. Platforms like Instagram and Etsy allow woodworkers to showcase their work, tell their stories, and connect with consumers who value authenticity and eco-friendly practices. By sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses into their creative processes, artisans can engage potential buyers on a personal level, inviting them to be part of the journey toward sustainability. This level of engagement fosters loyalty and encourages consumers to choose handmade, sustainable products over mass-produced alternatives. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions, the demand for green living solutions continues to grow. Woodworkers who embrace sustainable practices are well-positioned to meet this demand, providing consumers with high-quality, eco-friendly options for their homes. By creating beautiful, functional pieces that align with the values of authenticity and connection, artisans can build meaningful relationships with their customers while contributing to a more sustainable future. In establishing a green living ethos through sustainable woodworking offers artisans a powerful avenue to connect with consumers seeking authenticity and meaningful connections in their living spaces. By prioritizing sustainable materials, eco-friendly processes, and timeless design, woodworkers can create unique pieces that not only enhance home aesthetics, but also reflect a commitment to environmental stewardship. This approach resonates deeply with consumers who are increasingly aware of their ecological footprint and eager to support artisans who share their values. Through storytelling, community engagement, and an emphasis on quality craftsmanship, woodworkers can build a thriving business that contributes to the growing movement towards sustainability and green living. Ultimately, this endeavor fosters a deeper appreciation for the beauty of nature and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our sustainable woodcraft project ideas for green living with wood today living space. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.